We have 12 resolutions reached. Resolution number 1. There is urgent need for total unity and backup from the center, which is Benin Kingdom, through our royal father to all great Benin people. Resolution number 2. There is need for language unification. All ethnic nationalities that migrated from Great Benin are to henceforth invite the culture of naming their children Great Benin names. Resolution number 3. Houses of Assembly of all Great Benin descendant states to pass a law to ensure the Edo language is taught in all schools and Edo language added to school curriculum. Resolution number 4. To plead with the Ogba of Benin to accommodate the ethnic nationalities from Benin for a royal visit to his palace and to be their voices, especially as regards marginalization from Igbos, Yorubas, and every other neighboring ethnic groups. Resolution number 5. No part of Benin land, no matter the propaganda and threat, will be ceded to the imaginary Biafra. Resolution number 6. Great Benin people henceforth are one and equal people. Resolution number 7. It is resolved that Great Benin Kingdom and any other nationalities that trace their ancestry to Benin will work as one and speak in one voice, as injury for one is an injury for all. Resolution number 8. That going forward, there will be entertainment and sporting activities in all kingdoms that trace their origin to Benin as a sign of solidarity and affinity. These activities will be mixed with our cultures. Resolution number 9. Great Benin descendants to liaise and work with all socio-cultural groups of our sister kingdoms and groups that have same vision with us. Resolution number 10. Continuous and unending alliance with the center Benin Kingdom to all other ethnic groups from Great Benin, including participation in different festivities. Resolution number 11. Continuous sensitization from Association of Great Benin Descendants on who we are as a people by regular meetings, press briefings, and circulars to enable our people have consciousness of where they came from. The last resolution. Visitation to the palace to let our monarch know that what is happening in River States and other ethnic nationalities from Great Benin. You have no interest giving your children other tribal names other than the tribe of your ancestry. And that's the message that henceforth our fathers here, their children, their children's children should please, so that we don't start having these historical jobs in the next 50 to 100 years. Start naming your children Benin names so as to reflect where their history and ancestry is. Thank you.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what this Yoruba boy, now called a Bini person, just said. This same Bini blogger, known as Efos Blog, that posted what his Yoruba brother said. Look at what he wrote in their Facebook page. He wrote that Bini people sell at least 3,000 people into slavery every year. In the 1400s, in the 1500s, in the 1600s, for so many years, more than 300 years, Bini people have been selling non-Bini people into slavery. Who are these non-Bini people that Bini people are selling into slavery? Igbo people, Urobo people, Ijo people, and some other tribes. Look at it here. Now Bini person, now Bini blogger writes this thing. And these useless people still have the right to say that they want to impose their language, that they want us to start speaking their language, that they want to include their language in our school curriculum for our children to start speaking Bini. If I tell you, I say many of these Bini people not get sense, it could be like that they talk too much. Many of them don't have sense. You use Urobo people for slavery. You use them for sacrifice. You use Igbo people for slavery. You use them for sacrifice. And you are still saying that you want to impose your language on us again as a new strategy to claim our land and to claim us. You wrote that you use people for sacrifice. You still want those same people that ran away from you when you were using them for sacrifice. You still want those people to identify with you, to lose their identity and embrace you. Listen to Mr. Sydney, a descendant of Okiso dynasty of Igodomigodo. Listen to him as he tells us about Benin people using other people for sacrifice. Listen to him.
Vorame had no empire. Vorame was busy killing people, using people for human sacrifices. You know, look at the British history. When they came behind this palace through water, they found over 1,000 mutilated bodies in the forest. Head chopped off, organs chopped off, legs chopped off, hands chopped off. This was what they found in the forest. But when they came through Olobo, they did not see a single soul in the bush. They did not find anybody in the bush that was murdered in the bush or mutilated in the bush. These are the facts that shows that the territory that you are claiming today does not belong to you.
You all have heard what he said. Listen to late Bishop Benson Idahosa as he tells us how Benin people use people for human sacrifices.
In my city, read African history. Read of Benin City, Benin-City. Up to 21 years ago, they used human beings for sacrifice.
You all have heard what he said. It's true. Before people start saying, this boy that accused Benin people, nothing be like accused for you. He did their history with their own, the one where they take their hand right, he did it. So no be propaganda, no be lie. Even the white people recorded Benin people in a book and said that Benin, the land of blood, Benin is regarded as the land of blood because they do fetish things where human sacrifice, slavery, and all that. See now, you know they hide. This is the reason why many of these indigenous tribes in Benin ran away. They did not run out of that place as Benin people, but as Igbo people, but as Urobo people, as Ijaw people, as Isoko people, as Ishan people. We will never allow you Benin people to introduce your language to these different tribes. Because no way to invade people again. We dey new world now. Everybody done wise. We don't do that old era where we're going to invade people again. So the only way you can now do it is to use propaganda, false information to start deceiving people. And we are also here to spread the truth and preach against those lies that you are propagating. You want Onitsha people to start speaking Bini language. You want Enugu people to start speaking Bini language. You want Okwane people, Ika people, Enuane people, Ikwerre people, Ogba people, and every other regions of Igbo land that you claim to be your descendants. You want them to start speaking Bini language, to introduce Bini language to their school curriculum, for their own language to go into extinction. We will never allow such nonsense to happen. We will never allow it to happen. How many times did you invade Ishan land in the past? You Benin people have invaded Ishan people, and Ishan people stood their ground. So you now want Ishan people that you people have been invading, you people have been capturing them, and you have been using them for human sacrifice and slavery. You still want them to stop speaking Ishan language and adopt Benin language. You people have been claiming Okomu people. Okomu people are just speaking people of Edo State, indigenous there. You have been claiming them that they are your descendants in order to start exploiting their crude oil. And they said that they are not your descendants or related to you people. That you people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Why not start speaking Yoruba language as your ancestral language? Yoruba people are your ancestors. And you don't want to be speaking Yoruba language because you people are claiming supremacies. Now I born everybody, yet now I be children of everybody. Start speaking Yoruba language and leave us alone. We are not Bini people. Okwa people are not Bini descendants. Ika people are not Bini descendants. Enuana people are not Bini descendants. Ikwerre people are not Bini descendants. Onitsha people are not Bini descendants. Anyways, you are not Bini descendants. We own that land that Bini people occupy today. I always say that land is owned majorly by Isam people, Igoromigodo people, and Igbo people. You people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. You don't have the right to come online and start saying all sort of rubbish, nonsense, claiming people that gave birth to you. We never allow this your agenda to fly. You Bini people will remain in your Edo state. Your language will never cross that Edo state to our land. Anioma land is Igbo land. We speak Igbo, we don't speak Bini. And we will never include Bini language in our curriculum. We will never include Bini language in Ikwerre curriculum. We will never include Bini language in Anambra curriculum. No Bini language will be allowed in Igbo land. Bini and in Edo state. Udobo people, that one did their hand. Soko people, that one did their hand. You use them for sacrifice. Many of them know. And the ones who get sense for that place go stand their ground and debunk this Bini agenda. Yoruba language is older than Bini language. Isoko language is older than Bini language. Igbo language is older than Bini. Bini just 900 years old, okay? So your agenda will never fly. We are Igbo people. Ndeke ni share